can I take a video of you with your long hair? Do you want to cut your hair na? Kuya? Do you want to cut your hair na? Are we going to cut your hair na?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Say goodbye to your long hair.
Bye, long hair.
Bye. Cut na natin this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello guys.
Hello, guys.
It's January 14, 2023. And it's time to
Cut my hair.
cut your hair.
Yay!
Are you excited to cut your hair? May fireworks man. Mag-fireworks mo mag-cut ng hair. Diba? Say goodbye. Goodbye hair.
Goodbye, hair.
We will cut you na.
We will cut you now.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Careful.
Fine. Say goodbye to your hair.
Goodbye.
Fine. Fine. Can I see your hair? Ah, so long.
It looks like a snake. It looks like a snake.
Yes, looks like a snake.
It looks like a Titanic boat.
Oh, this is the logo.
Titanic babandera.
D'Angelo Russell throws it up to Edwards for the slam. This is what he does. Right here.
First. Ay, napili ko.
It doesn't, but I guess they are the same. It is bright.
Are you excited? No, ikaw malikot.
Talian lang dire. Pwede man. Tapos, putlon.
Yeah, okay, i-keep namin.
May switch siya. Lagyan natin
Excuse
ha. Excuse mo na ha. Naikait ka na. Katali ka lang? Saan tali mo? Hindi talaga katali mo. Hindi mag-itla ka to.
3.
Tapos lagyan pa din sa kumay. Trabaho lang kami sa may client lang po.
This one.
Don't move.
Sige na, dito na ako magtapos ng museo.
This is your hair na. This is your hair na. Fixin ang hair mo.
Yeah. I'm going to keep it na.
Which one should you keep it?
Yeah, I will. Don't move.
Doon to na kay ginakat na ni Tito ang hair mo.
don't move.
Hindi tayo siya gagalaw, no?
Atong sa picture na ginanaba ko sa kilay niya ba? Basta siya sa kilay niya. Atong sa picture.
Siyan mo lang.
Do sa kilay lang hasta ang iya ino para sa.
Para hindi magkano sa.
Kaya to abigin na hasta sa kilay yung wax.
That's my hair.
Oh, don't move.
Lumpo muna ha. Haircut muna tayo.
Don't move. Mamaya na mag-dry. Ang pugi-pugi naman.
Okay.
But why did cover my eyes?
Wait lang. We're going to cut it later. Tito, we're going to cut it later. Why did you cover my eyes though?
Let's wait for Tito to cut your hair. Dun sa may eyes mo.
You just close your eyes
Close your
lang.
eyes. Close your eyes.
Close na siya.
Close your eyes.
Do size mo.
Close pa.
Para finish.
Wow!
Close pa ha. Later na mag-open.
Because she's still cutting your hair. Oops. Grabe ka, good boy ba?
Really good siya.
Sabi niya na abi ka excited magpag-clip.
Gusto niya ng ganyan.
Mag-cut na hair na. Hindi ka mag-hair.
I want the red, why she can. I want the red, why she
Ayan na like.
Huwag mo na mag-move.
Mag-cut kasi dito sa back mo
Don't
na hair.
drive muna. Later na.
Huwag po, bika.
Mamaya na mag-drive.
Kaya baka mapanggal yung ears mo pag
Mag-park
mag-move
ka
ikaw.
muna.
Makat ni Tito ang ears mo. Baka wag ikaw mag-move.
Wag lang muna magbupa ka makat ang ears.
Baka makat ang ears mo. Baka mawala na ikaw ears.
Diyan ka muna tingin.
Watch ikaw dito.
You can open your eyes daw.
Where's my hair?
Dito na kay mami. Yung long hair mo, dito na kay mami.
Oh, almost there na. Ang eyes mo, close your eyes. Oh, nandiyan na sa eyes mo. Oh, dyan na sa eyes. Ah, don't move. Kaya sa eyes na. Don't move.
Don't move. Makat.
Makat yung ano mo, yung eyes mo at saka nose. Don't move. Lagi ka magyako. kita. Pogi. Ah. Ito handsome na ba?
Daw muna, sabi ni
Sinalang, halang.
Mugdog mo. Harap dito, be. Smile. Pogi ba? Kapan. Maganda yung katindog sa kung
Pogi mo.
uy.
Pogi naman yung kuya. Uy. Cute na anak.
It's so cute. Madot mo.
Mamalingki na lang anay kami tapos tawagan sa lang mamalingki.
Blow dry mo hair mo.
What bubble?
I-remove lang. Wait lang ha. Oops.
Okay, magpunta yun sa hair. Udot mo. Udot mo kay ang kapi, oh. Magpunta sa hair. Kaya. Ganun. Dami pa, ano.
Hindi ka lagi patawaan.
Hi! Can I see your face, babe?
Smile na.
Ano, brother ko hair. Can I see, babe? Can I see your face, babe? Harap mo na ka, daddy. Harap mo na ka, daddy.
Your hair, hindi na tali ang hair mo. We don't need to tali your hair anymore. Kasi it's just na.
I'm frozen.
Yay!
Pakita mo yan.
Harap mo. What's that?
It's my certificate.
Is that your certificate?
My first haircut.
My first haircut.
Can I see your face, babe? Your new haircut? Oh, grabe. You're so handsome, no?
Are you poggy?
Oh, look at your face, oh. Your hair is short now. It's already short now.
It's not long anymore.
Are you
Yes.
happy with your hair?
Yeah?
Say it here. Are you happy with your hair? New hair?
Give it to mommy na. Wala yun na, nag-green na.
Hey guys. Thank you.